Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today we have a little bit of Doge news. So, if you guys are looking to buy, sell, trade, exchange Dogecoin for other coins, there are more places. Dogecoin is being picked up by like everybody under the sun. So, our the big boys over at Nicehash have added them to the Nicehash exchange. So, I mean, Dogecoin's just in there like swimwear, you know what I'm saying? Or in it to win it. I don't know. Hold on. Boom. Okay, so officially from Nicehash yesterday, Dogecoin or Doge is now available on the Nicehash exchange. Wow, much wow, Nicehash users. The furry animal sensation Dogecoin now listed on the Nicehash exchange. So excite mini mining amaze. It's a Doge talk. They talk about what is Doge, trade using Simple View, all that kind of stuff. That's all great and well. But if you're like me, I'm in the continental US. We cannot use the Nicehash exchange. So if you're outside of the US, which is actually a huge majority of my audience, I guess this is good news for you guys. Soak it up, take it in. Now you can Doge it up. If you are in the inside the continental US, I am buying my, well, I'm not buying my Doge. I'm mining my Doge, and it's getting deposited to Binance.us. So I believe almost every state has finally accepted it. So if you are looking to buy some Doge, I guess you can use it through Binance. No referral links, nothing like that. Unfortunately, Coinbase still doesn't support buying and selling. Um, and then you can also get Doge on, what is it, crypto, Mr. Crypto.com. Apparently, that's a bad word now. So if you write crypto.com in your description section, and I even wanted to say it slow, maybe so the algorithm wouldn't pick it up. I don't know. If it's going to pick it up, it's going to pick it up. But if you put that in your description section, old boy, son of a tech, said he got flagged for putting that down below. And I'm like, oh, smokes. So I don't know what's up with that. I still do use the crypto service on crypto.com. I have one of their cards. I'm actually going to do a review. I just wanted to have the card for a full month and have a little bit of experience with it before I showed you guys. So, yeah, boom. But anyway, yeah, Nicehash, Doge. It's a thing now. You're welcome. Peace.